Welcome back to the Analogue Archive. Today I just wanted to spend a little bit of time on a quick chat about this little camera I picked up, which is the Instax Mini 90. Now I've had some time with it, and I guess I want to share some of my first impressions. So let's dive into it. I've really enjoyed the camera so far. I've used the Mini 9 or the Mini 8 previously, which has been great for photos overall, but the Mini 90 really kind of, for me personally, showed me what you can really do with some of these Instax photos. The camera comes with a wealth of options, such as double exposure, like these photos here. I've done some double exposures, but I've seen some really creative stuff online. I've also used the macro as well, which is really cool. And all these things, all these little features just show how powerful this little camera is, as opposed to, say, its little brother, the Mini 8 or the Mini 9. The camera itself has made me really appreciate how good these Instax photos can be. I've overall really enjoyed my time with it. In fact, I've started creating a little photo journal with all these things. Having that photo instantly has always been such a almost nostalgic feeling when you pull out these photos. Reminds me of the old Polaroids. But overall, I'm really happy with it. If you're thinking about grabbing one, maybe find a friend who has one, or find someone online who has one to play around with it. But I've not had any regrets at all with it. In fact, I haven't even picked up my Mini 8. I've actually given it to my daughter since I've got the Mini 90. So if that's something that helps you influence your decision, for example. But overall, great stuff. I'll hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it's only a quick one. And I hope you guys all have a very Merry Christmas. And I'll see you all in the new year. This is Cody from the Analogue Archive, and I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas. Bye.